Welcome.
Hi, everyone. I'd like to share an example of what one of our customers is doing with HANA on Azure. Sports Basement is a small retailer based in San Francisco, and they need to compete with the big online retailers. They're doing this by bringing that online experience into the store. And they're also using S/4HANA to get a broader perspective on their customer to drive that experience that much further. And today, they're doing all of this with no IT department. So Nick, let's have a look at how they're doing this. Here we are in the Sports Basement store, shopping around. I spotted this jacket. I think it's pretty cool. What do you think?
It's perfect for when I'm jogging at night.
Exactly. Very reflective. Now, as a customer, I expect the same experience in the store as I do online. And so on my phone, I can access the Sports Basement app, and I can scan the barcode of the jacket that I'm interested in. Some product information is going to be presented to me. Bing Cognitive Services is scanning the web, and it's pushing the most relevant and best deals my way. Now, as online shoppers, we all expect product recommendations. Sports Basement has brought that service into the store. In this row here, you can see recommendations for me, and this is using HANA Predictive Services. Nick, this is an example of what it means to bring SAP and Microsoft services together. I'd like to show another example of what Sports Basement is doing with S/4HANA. What you see on my laptop here is a combination of information from the app and also customer information. Sports Basement is now able to ask the question, what are customers browsing? What are they looking at, but not actually buying? And this is one of the many questions that Sports Basement can now ask with this flexible platform. So Nick, what we've seen here is how a small business can compete with the big online retailers with no IT department.
So it's good. You said you heard Satya talking about the best of SAP in the cloud, coming together with how end users are actually experiencing work day to day. Give us a couple examples of what that looks like.
Sure. Nick, we want to go where the users are, and we want to bring that convenience to the applications that we all use day to day. We also want to use a non-disruptive technology platform in the cloud to make this happen. On my laptop here, you see a prototype of what we're working on. Here we are in Outlook. We all live in Outlook. I have a sales meeting coming up. I've just been notified that one of the key attendees has accepted the meeting. Because of the integration between SAP and Microsoft, I can access Concur services directly in Office 365. Concur is aware of not only the location, but the time of my meeting. So it's only going to present me with travel options that will get me to my meeting on time. I can book my departure as well as my return flight right here in Office 365. I'll confirm the trip, and my Outlook calendar is updated right away. Now that's one example. Let me show you another one. This is one of the first integrations that we're working on. And here we are in SuccessFactors. I'd like to book some time off. Memorial Day weekend is coming up, and so I'm going to request just a short leave of absence so I can extend that long weekend at the end of the month. Now, as we go through this process, what's happening, just like any HR system on the back end, is going through all the approvals and necessary validations as I submit this request. Now, Nick, what's happening here on the integration side is Outlook has made SuccessFactors aware of any meetings that conflict with my vacation time. So I'm being notified of the meetings that I need to reschedule now with this time off booked. At the same time, our Outlook calendar has also updated with the time off. This is one of the first integrations that we've been working on, and we're doing